Hey guys, good morning. This is SweetZivile. Let's make some Lithuanian pancakes with strawberries. In a bowl, crack 5 eggs. Whisk lightly. You don't want a lot of air in this batter. 2 cups of milk. 2 tablespoons of sugar. Half teaspoon of salt. And 2 cups of flour. Mix well. Then add 1 cup of water. Batter has to be like a cream consistency, just like this. I have some strawberries. Cut the ends, making like a dip in the middle, and you will get a heart. I like hearts in everything. Just like this. Okay, one more. Or you can just skip this step and make simple slices. Add good amount of vegetable oil or coconut oil to the pan. Cook on medium-high heat. I am using tablespoon to measure out the amount I need for each pancake. Then add 1 slice of strawberries to each pancake. Flip them over when edges starts to brown. Serve with pancake syrup or chocolate syrup. Enjoy!